we are going to create a glass material for the monitor of this Mac in Blender 401. First of all, let's go to the shading tab over here. Here we're going to create a new node. You click on Add, Shader, Glass, and you click to release it. Then we are going to delete this node and create a new one. So add, let's see where it is, mix shader over here. At this point, we are going to link them together. So we are going to connect the glass node to the mix shader, and we are going to connect the mix shader with the material output. We add a new mix shader here, and we are going to connect it to the other mix shader. And we add a translucent node and link it to the mix shader. We create a new node, another glossy node, and link it to the mix shader. Now let's play around with some parameters. Here it should be 0.2 and here 0.05. New node. Over here, input this one. And we're going to add it here and connect it to the mix shader. Now, if we are going to click on this icon over here, we are going to have a more realistic representation of the glass material we just added. And of course, you can play around here with some parameters, as I said. For example, adjusting here the glass roughness, and on the mix shader, you can adjust this number over here. So you can play around with it and see which parameters get you a better result.